Hello, I'm Nadek from the Material Innovation page. Today, we're testing a basement waterproofing membrane. We'll pour water on it to check for leaks. This large sheet is designed for basement waterproofing. The principle is simple. It's made of sodium, which self-gels and expands on contact with moisture, making it waterproof. Water can't seep through. It also has self-healing properties, sealing itself if drilled while attached to the basement. Let's test it by drilling into this sheet. The principle is simple. This sheet is made of sodium, and when moisture touches it, it will self-gel and expand, making it completely waterproof so that water can't seep down. Also, it self-heals. So, if we drill a hole into this sheet, when attached, it will seal itself around the hole. Test it. We're going to drill into this preparation sheet, push down, then we'll check for leaks. This is a chemical reaction with water. Over time, it self-gels into clay, and bentonite expands. It creates a waterproof barrier, so it won't leak. Drill it all the way through, like a spool, and see if there are any new leakage problems. After drilling, try it again. I don't know, but it's a chemical reaction between bentonite and water or moisture in the basement. Over time, it self-gels, becomes clay-like, and bentonite expands. As it expands, it creates a waterproof barrier, so even with a hole, it won't leak. In this test, study durability and flexibility to keep basements stable against seepage. In the last clip, we drilled the polymer sheet for waterproofing, soaked it, and found no leaks. We'll test it again next. In this simple test, for more details, you'll need to study the characteristics of durability and flexibility that help keep our basement stable against water seepage. Since in the last clip we drilled into the polymer sheet used for basement waterproofing and soaked it in water, it turned out that there were no leaks, right? So, we're going to test it again after this. Since in the last clip we drilled into the polymer sheet used for basement waterproofing and soaked it in water, it turned out that there were no leaks, right? Now we're going to test it again after we remove the screw from this sheet to see if it still maintains its waterproofing properties. Leading. Now that we've removed the screw, does this material still maintain its waterproofing properties? Let's test it again after taking the screw out. Will it still work? There's nothing, so there's no silicone massage, which means this polymer sheet still maintains its effectiveness in expanding.